Hello Twitter users, welcome back to another video from How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. In this video today, let's learn how we can permanently delete our Twitter or the X account. So follow along this step-by-step guide to delete your account. To begin with, open your Twitter application. Then on the top left, you'll see Accounts. Click on it. Drop down the Settings and Support menu. Once you're there, go to Settings and Privacy. The next step is to go to your account. Now before we begin the deletion, I would like to tell you there is no option as delete account in Twitter, but you can deactivate your account, and if you don't reactivate it within 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So I'll go to deactivate account for now. Once you're here, read these conditions. If you want to download your X data, download them. Otherwise, to proceed with the deactivation, tap on deactivate. Now you're required to enter your password. Type the password and then tap on deactivate. This is the final prompt before you deactivate your account. If you're sure about it, then click on yes, deactivate. There you go, your account is deactivated. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do like, share and subscribe if you want more content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.